Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a video on the Halloween update on Build a Boat for Treasure. Yes, that's right, there's a new Halloween update and there's a lot of new stuff that you can get. So I'm just going to get straight into it. So what you can see update, you can get red candy now. But you can still get the blue candy, the pink candy, and yeah. And so if you click map, click map, and look, you can dig them up and get the candy. It's actually pretty kind because it's not like just an average thing and boring, just going around houses and knocking on doors and getting tricked or treated. But anyway, there is new stuff. There is some Halloween Harpoons exclusive items that you can get. This is insane. So I already have all of them. So I'll just it's pretty simple. I just have all of them. So I'll just show you where they are. My cat's here just rushing me. But no, it's fine. So when you go into the pink team, just that pink team, or purple team, whatever you like it, you can, so you see a temple there. Actually, like the temple's quite biting me. I like the temples a lot. I just need, if I just go right the way down to my jetpack, but just flip. Maybe didn't mean to do that. So I already have them, but it won't show up for me. But I can show you where the locations are. So right now, you just kind of wanna just dig like here, around here, and stuff. Like there, around this temple side here, next to pink team. So that's probably the first one done. So next one, a bit of a walk. So I'm gonna cut it in different parts and then tell you where I actually am. So yeah. Hi guys. So this is the next one. It's on the graveyard stage. You're gonna put it on the third stage, but whatever you do, do not launch. You maybe get a jetpack or wings, or just get a jet, purple jet, red jet. I'm getting a jetpack because yeah. And this is a bit obvious, and it actually fits in pretty well because this map was made quite a bit ago, so it fits in really well. But so if you go over here and you see all these big mud patches here, if you go over here, then oh yeah, it's there. So you see the shovel right in the ground. What you want to do is you want to just get this out. It could be there. When I actually found it on top of this one. So you dig that one first, and you don't work on all the other ones because it's definitely here. I know I can't sort. I want to be wrong. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna move into the next one. I actually really like this one. Favorite 10 out of 10, I love it. But anyway, yeah, let's go. Guys. So, next one. I'm not really hard to get. It's really red jet, like nearly dead. I'm trying not to launch. Get up. So, you want to get on this table here. I actually haven't got this one. It's really hard. But you want to just sit here and get your shovel out and do that right in the middle. Yes, I did. Look at that. Halloween harpoon I got on. So, that's all the Halloween harpoons I know of right now. But that doesn't mean that the video ends. things start dying from all off. So I'm just gonna kill myself here. It's really hard to get there. It's really hard. Oh, I just kill myself. Yeah. I'm going through walls. 70. It's not bad actually. Pretty good. But anyway, let's go. So I think I'm gonna do the box because I mean, very fun. So how much I don't think the boss was really something just like not really. I don't know. Okay, here we go. About to go and hop straight into it. And I like the way it's just the gate opens and it's just called The Secrets. Here we go. I'm so tired. Okay, here we go. Let's just go over here. I think everybody knows how the spider do it. That's why. So, if you finish this all, you get like Dragon Harpoon. But because I've already done that, I keep on getting tons of candy from this. So you can get 5 candy each time you beat it. Which is really helpful. Because then, I mean, then you can still get candy and like it's not like, you know, you have to dig up the candy, like you can get more. Anyway, I'm just gonna put you in there. Does that make him bigger? Wait, that's what you want to think about. Does that make him bigger? So was that him? Don't know why I'm even doing it. Okay, so I don't know why there's tons of sewers around here. I mean, like, you don't have it on a random skin. that's kind of all the stuff you can get. So there's nothing else that I can show you on how to get. I can just go over the stuff that we probably would have got. So we probably wait, how many? Okay, but we probably would have gotten. Yeah, you should have gotten about 4 of these. It's a bit confusing how it works. You might just get the point. You know how Hopkins works. You can't go. You're really stuck until you can tap. You can go anywhere you want. Anywhere you want. Okay, I'm just gonna stop it. Okay, so if I had, so actually something I can show you. There's been remodels of stuff. So you see all the stuff in Pleasant Dam. These are remodels. So if you're really old like me, I started off well, 2. What is that person doing? But this, so you know you hold it like this. And boom. Why do you want it like this? Oh boy. The gun has been remade. This is all just a bit of confusion. And then the swords. I think the sword actually look better this way. Still do the same thing, so like 5 gold off the red. Just go over there. Don't want to go over that. Stab it. Got a gun here. Got a blast. And just shoot the wall. Yeah. I actually really like this update. It's so nice, I love it. But anyway, I don't think there's gonna be any more remodels for anything. Oh yeah, there has been. There's been from the swords you can get. And so yeah. But I've got these 7 pumpkins here. And I'm not lying. These pumpkins, when you carve them, they look exactly like mine. So if I carve them, see what they look like. In the video, I'll put up one of my pumpkins, and you can see like the same. Bye guys, I'm just gonna end the video. So subscribe and leave a like, and